when we were at School Gaelic in Glasgow, the only Gaelic school, maybe we were going to tournaments and played different sports and things like that, and probably looked as they're a wee bit different.
Yeah.
But I think certainly now it's a completely different way people are, it's I think people are really proud of what they're part of. It goes back to where they come from, their family, their history, all that kind of thing. And if we can certainly use Gaelic in as many different sports as possible, I think it's great.
Do you think that's a part of, I guess, what's happened with the Alba FA and where it's going and the opportunities that are coming up? Do you think it's fair to say, from my own opinion anyway, I think if that was 20 years ago, it wouldn't have happened, but also couldn't have happened?
Yeah, I think that's fair. I think that's fair. If there was something maybe back then that maybe kids could, maybe look up to or have something to work towards, maybe being part of Alba FA. Yeah, I think that's a fair point.